All right, so I'm gonna start off with this side. Okay. A little receipt sticker if I want to return it. Let's put it up here. Oh, what the fuck? The fuck? Honestly, I did not expect this. Check it out. 710 Labs wrapping. Oh my gosh. I take it off neatly because I'm like that. I'm like that. I'm like that. Fucking like that meme. I'm just that type of person to just maybe hoard it for a bit and then just throw it away. Carefully taking this off. Oh. Nope. Done. Nope. Oh yeah, it's meant to be ripped for sure. Hey, this can be ASMR content for sure. Alright, I'm gonna try not to rip all the way so I can show y'all how it looks. Okay, honestly, it looks pretty dope. Oh, this is the little rig mat. This was like 30 bucks, I'm not gonna lie. 710 Labs Way. Ooh. Check it out. Can't even open this. I'm a lame. It's pretty sick. Ooh, it's pretty sticky. This one for sure throwing away. Do not hoard stuff like this. Ooh. Dang, this looks hella cool. Hella dope. The fuck? 710. And it looks like a little smiley face or whatever you want to see. Alright. Put it over here for a bit. Oh my gosh, it even feels nice on the fucking table. The heck? Anyways. Yeah, it's just fucking trippy as fuck, you know? Let me show y'all. Oh, there you go. Probably a whole ass wrapper that just says 710 Labs. Oh yeah. You get the idea. You get the idea. Pretty dope. Straight up. Alright. Now I know what this is for sure. But I'm gonna open it first and then tell y'all what it is. You know it. You know it. Ooh, baby. Oop, trash. Trash. These are towels. And these were honestly expensive as fuck. I want to say like fucking 68. Shit. Let me try opening this with my keys. Where are my keys? Nope. Gotta do it the old. Oh no, wait. I'm lame. Oh. Oh, it feels very micro. Yeah, it feels very, very micro. Microfiber shit. Oh, what? What? I thought this was the towel. I'm dead. It's like a cover for the towel. What the fuck? This is hella dope. Dang, it feels thick. See, one side is blank, I guess. Hold up. Oh my god, there's a lot of stuff. Man, I thought that was gonna be a small ass review, but nope. Nope. So this is the cover. Looks a little trippy, I'm guessing. Like a fucking leaf. Or like a caterpillar or a fucking ladybug. I don't know what the fuck. Trippy. Ooh, look at this stuff. Move on this way. Shout out to my girl for cleaning the room. Got the little logo. It's like basically a little blanket towel thing for the beach. Let's fucking go. Oh my god. Let's get this shit. Feels very, very soft. Feels like for sure like sand cannot get on it. You could probably like even fucking just cuddle. Fucking use that shit. I don't know. Fucking just chill. Oh shit, that scared me. For some reason it has these. I'm guessing maybe to oh, you know what? Maybe to put stuff in there to like so it doesn't fly away. Because it is kind of very thin. See how thin it is, y'all? Yeah, you see it. So yeah, pretty dope. Alright. Okay. Alright. Okay. Pretty easy to fold. Shit, like literally like laundry. Straight up. Now, I'll be honest with you guys, I do not remember how it was folded. Shit. 710 Labs, let's get it. Shoot, I need to order from them ASAP. Shoot. 710 Labs. Yeah, I'm just gonna put it like this. I don't know. 710. I hate when it goes like this, cringe, but whatever. I'm just trying to put it away. Shoot. Honestly, I did not expect this. I did not expect this and this. For 68 bucks, gotta see what's up. Gotta see how it is over the years. So yeah. Probably do another review like in 5 years from now. Ooh. If I still have it. If I don't lose it. Like a stoner. But yeah, it's just pretty hella dope. Shoot. I'll let y'all know if I recommend this or not. But this is dope. Shit. Fade Moose. Fade it.